Greeting everyone, my name is Justin. Together with my group members, Nancy, Magdalena, and Jennifer, we are going to present on the learning strategies, focusing on the cognitive strategies. We are going to talk about definitions, examples of the strategies, principles, and the applications of the strategies to language learning, and also the implication. According to British Council, they define cognitive strategies as one of the type of learning strategies that the learners use in order to learn more successfully. Cognitive strategies are essential tools that aid successful learning. They are techniques that the learners employ to comprehend and retain new information effectively. Repetition, organizing new language, summarizing meaning, guessing meaning from context, and using imagery for memorization are all examples of cognitive strategies. These strategies help learners to engage with a more meaningful way, thereby facilitating comprehension and facilitate the retention. By utilizing these techniques, learners can increase their proficiency and improve their ability to communicate in the target language. These strategies also involve using the mental processes to learn and remember information effectively.
Examples of cognitive strategies include organizing information, summarizing, note taking, and using imagery and visualization. For example, a learner remembers new words better by visualizing them represented in a memorable or comical situation. So this makes it easier and faster for them to recall these words. As for the classroom activity, which can be described as cognitive strategies include making mind maps, visualizations, association, mnemonics, using contextual clues in reading comprehension, underlining keywords, scanning, self-testing, and monitoring.
So I will be presenting on the principle and application of cognitive strategies to language learning. So the first principle is automaticity. So students absorb language automatically, and then they move toward fluency and think about language less as they progress. So the application of cognitive strategies in this principle is that don't overwhelm students with language rules, and then balance rules and also practice. So the second principle would be meaningful learning. Rote learning. Rote learning is a memorization technique based on repetition. And it has little chance of creating long-term retention. So the application that can be done in this principle is like to appeal to students' language needs and goals and link new knowledge to previous knowledge and avoid pitfalls. The third principle of cognitive strategies would be anticipation of reward. Reward leads to better performance, and the application that can be done in this principle is that use verbal praise, encouragement, compliments, enthusiasm, and remind students of long-term rewards. The fourth principle is intrinsic motivation. The most powerful rewards are those that are intrinsically motivated within the learner because their behavior stems from needs, wants, or desire within oneself. The behavior itself is self rewarding, therefore, no externally administered reward is necessary at all. The fifth principle is strategic investment. Strategic investment is the methods that the learner employs to internalize and to perform in the language, which are as important as the teacher's method. So the application that can be done in this principle is that to help students become aware of their own learning preferences and teach them how to be good language learners. The last principle will be autonomy. Successful learners take control of their own language learning with the teacher as facilitator or guide.
Hi, hello everyone. So I will continue from here the implication of cognitive strategy. The first one is to improve retention. Cognitive strategy can help learners to remember new words and structures for longer periods of time by using techniques like visualization, repetition, and association. Learners can encode new information more effectively and store it in their long-term memory. It also enhances language learning. Learners can improve their ability to acquire new vocabs, grammar, and language structures. This strategy can help learners focus their attention, organize their thought, and make connections between new information and their existing knowledge. The third one is greater confidence. By using cognitive strategies, learners can feel more confident in their ability to learn and use the language. These strategies can help learners overcome language barriers, communicate more effectively, and feel more comfortable using the language in real-world situations. It also improves motivation, which help learners to feel more motivated and engage in learning process, leading to greater success and satisfaction. Next, it improves communication skills, which help learners develop better communication skills, including listening, speaking, reading, and writing. By using techniques like note-taking, summarizing, and paraphrasing, learners can improve their ability to understand and respond to written and spoken language. Overall, the implications of cognitive strategies for language learners are positive and can lead to better and effective as well as efficient and enjoyable language learning experiences. So that is all from me. Thank you.
To reiterate, cognitive strategies are methods or techniques that learners use to learn, remember, and process information. Overall, cognitive strategies are an integral part of the learning and memory process as they help learners acquire, retain, and use information more effectively. By utilizing these strategies, learners can improve their comprehension, memory, and overall performance.